Hi, this is Devin Hobb with RE/MAX, and we are in Lehi, Utah today. This is the northeast side in a sub-HOA of the master plan community called Ivory Ridge. In the master plan community, there is a swim and tennis club about a mile away. It's got outdoor pools, and then it also has outdoor tennis and indoor year-round tennis in a large facility. There's a clubhouse with a gym as well. Then closer to this area, we've got a little top park within this neighborhood here. And then just up the street, there's a 9-acre park that was dedicated to the city to manage, but the master plan included it. It's got a splash pad, a park, it's got basketball on one end, walking paths all around. They do movies in the park in the summertime there. So this is a very well organized and beautiful community. This HOA here is just around $100 a month. That doesn't include an optional increased fee to participate in the swimming and the tennis that's available to the community. You can increase for an extra fee to be a part of that and have use of that. But just about a mile the other way is the Lehi Legacy Recreational Center. And that'll have indoor swimming year-round, outdoor swimming also. You got babysitting, a lot of great things close by. I'm gonna take you on a tour of this townhome. It sits around 2,350 square feet. And there's 4 bedrooms. I'm gonna show them to you. All right, this home has been totally prepared for the next owner. The flooring's been redone, it's brand new. All of the paint as we go throughout has been freshly repainted. This is the great room concept. This countertop here is a beautiful leathered granite, and then it's balanced out with quartz over here. Got nice white cabinets, stainless appliances, gas stove, access to the 2-car garage here, and then a nice little locker room spot over here. Coat hangers, some shelves, and then a half bathroom. I'll take you upstairs where there's 3 bedrooms. Here at the top of the stairs, there's a good sized landing, and then a pretty wide linen closet, lots of storage shelves. And this way, here's the master bedroom. It does have a nice vaulted ceiling, very tall, a lot of window lights. And then over here, we do have a double sink, type of a marble style countertop, and same countertop is used throughout the surround of the shower as well as this bathtub. We do have a nice walk-in closet here as well, plenty of hanging space. And a little toilet room. Here we've got bedroom number 2. This is a very good sized bedroom. About a 6-foot wide open closet here. And then bedroom number 3, large closet again, plenty of space. These are 8-foot tall ceilings. So over here is the laundry room. Got tile flooring, your washer dryer hookups here. We do have little accessories to hang some clothes right here. And I'll take you down to the basement. The basement is finished. Down here, we've got the living room. This is, again, all freshly painted. This is in nearly brand new shape. There's a full bathroom right here, tile surround in the shower, and then there is a 4th bedroom. This is the 4th bedroom, and it does have 6 or 7-foot wide closet right there. And then your Harry Potter room underneath the stairs for the kids or whatever, storage. Here in the utility room, here's the furnace. It is a high efficient furnace, which Ivory Homes, who built the home, put in originally. So that'll save you a little bit of gas. And then there's a large cold storage room on this right here. This goes underneath the porch. It's about an extra 110 square feet. Comes in and kind of goes back a ways. So lots of storage here. Another nice thing about this HOA is that the landscaping is all included. So even on your front yard, the drip systems, the zero-scape concept is all maintained by the HOA. Your trees are going to be trimmed by them, sprinklers will be fixed, and so very low maintenance. I hope you enjoyed watching this video tour and got a good feel for the home, the community, and the layout. If you'd like to see it in person, feel free to reach out to me or the agent you're already working with and come and see this home.